Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage priorities for the workers in Bellwright. To do this, first we'll need to press on N on our keyboard to open Settlement Management, navigate to the population, then you can find all of your population right here and you can change their priority. So for example, here we have crafting, smelting, harvesting, woodcutting, delivery, cooking, hunting and research. And now just click on the number below each section and next to the person and assign their priority in a certain workspace. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.